In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Canva project. It is very simple. Just open your Canva project and then click the file section and scroll down, and here you will get this option, move to trash. And now click here and now confirm to click move to trash button, and your Canva project has been deleted from your Canva account, and it will go to your trash folder. When you click this folder, you will get your all of the deleted Canva project here. You can also restore if you need it further. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw your comment below. I will read and reply your comment very soon.